Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a classic Thai dish, the beloved red curry, and adding a seasonal twist with the addition of sweet and nutty butternut squash. This hearty, flavorful curry is perfect for a chilly evening, and it's a fantastic way to warm up and satisfy your cravings. We'll be combining tender beef, aromatic spices, and creamy coconut milk, all balanced with the subtle sweetness of the butternut squash. But here's the thing, we will use a more affordable cut of beef and slow cook it to absolute tenderness. So, are you excited about this recipe as we are? Well, then let's get cooking. While any cut of beef will work, we're using a more affordable option like beef stew meat for our curry. Begin by seasoning a kilogram of diced beef with salt and black pepper. To tenderize it, we'll slow cook it later until it's fall apart tender. Now we'll start the cooking process. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot over medium-high heat. Sear the beef on all sides until it's golden brown to develop a rich flavor. Searing also helps to lock in the juices of the beef, resulting in a more tender and juicy meat. Remove the beef once they are nicely brown and set it aside. To make the red curry, let's start by sauteing about 1 cup of chopped red onion in the same pot with oil. Next, to enhance the aroma, add 6 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger to bring warm and slightly spicy flavor. Just give it a stir for a minute. Let's add the heart of the curry, 115 grams of red curry paste. Stir for about 2 minutes or until the paste begins to dry out. Now pour 4 cups of chicken or beef broth. Give it a stir to dissolve the paste and simmer for 4 minutes. Pour 800 ml of coconut milk for that rich and creamy texture. Throw in about 6 to 8 pieces of kaffir lime leaves to provide a citrusy fragrance to the curry. To further add citrusy flavor, throw in 2 stalks of roughly chopped lemongrass. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the spiciness of the curry. Give it a quick stir and return the seared beef. To cook the beef properly, reduce heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 2 hours or until the meat reaches a desired level of tenderness. After a couple of hours, remove the lid and let the liquid reduce for 30 minutes. Now it's time to throw in 1 kilogram of diced butternut squash. One diced red bell pepper, and 200 grams of roughly chopped green beans. Continue cooking uncovered for another 30 minutes or until the sauce thickens and the vegetables are tender. Eventually, the curry should reduce to a thick, stew-like consistency. Give the curry a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. To finish, add Thai fresh basil and cilantro leaves for a fragrant and vibrant touch. And there you have it, a warm and comforting beef red curry with a seasonal twist, the butternut squash. It's savory, spicy, and slightly sweet. It's the perfect dish to warm you up on a cold day. So, do you think you give this beef red curry with butternut squash recipe a try? Share your thoughts in a comment below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.